In front of me is Poco F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Allow All. Now you need to select albums or photos. At the bottom, hold one of them you wish to get rid of and hit Select All at the top right corners. Now click on all of your photos you wish to keep, and to get rid of the rest, use Remove button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!